Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Phantom Wallet. It's a quick and simple process, so let's get started. First, open Binance, and once it is opened, click on the bottom right Assets section. Then click on the Withdraw section. Then select Ethereum ETH from here. Once you have selected it, choose Send via Crypto Network to proceed. Now switch to your Phantom Wallet and select Ethereum from the asset list. Click Receive, and you'll see your ETH deposit address. Copy this address. This is where you'll receive your ETH. Back on Binance, paste your Phantom ETH address into the withdrawal field. Select the Ethereum network, ERC20. Keep in mind that Ethereum network fees can be high. Enter the amount of ETH you want to send. Click Withdraw, confirm the transaction details, and complete any security verification steps. That's how you transfer Ethereum from Binance to Phantom Wallet. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.